Hey Rachel, I'm Sam, a psychologist and side hustling woodworker and content creator from Long Island, New York, and welcome to my first house. Welcome to the entryway of our 1950s Cape Cod-style home. This space used to look so different. When you walk through the front door, there actually used to be another door that led right on upstairs to our 2 bedrooms upstairs. There also was some laminate flooring that was covering the original hardware flooring that I was able to remove. And one thing that we really love is bright modern accents. So I really wanted to add this funky geometric accent wall using some pine boards and some nails. This was a really fun project that only took me about 1 weekend to do, and it made a huge impact in the space. I also can't forget the gorgeous front door, which lets in a ton of natural light now. This space just feels so warm and welcoming when you enter our home, and that is exactly what we were going for. The first thing you see when you walk through that beautiful new front door is the living and the dining room space, which definitely did not look anything like this when we bought the house. There actually used to be a wall in between the living room, the dining room, and the kitchen. And with the help of our contractor, we removed that load-bearing wall, opened up the space completely, and brightened it up so much. Arguably my favorite project in this entire house right now, this beautiful custom fireplace and entertainment center. I built this with 2x4 lumber from my local home improvement store, created a giant frame from floor to ceiling, made sure that it fit this beautiful electric fireplace insert, and this piece just warms up the space, literally and figuratively. So directly off of that living room space is this custom dining room area. I built this custom table with the help of a friend using this gorgeous slab of wood. We also custom welded some legs so that we could fit it into this space. And I had another friend come on and visit and help me build a matching bench for the table in 1 day of work, which made a huge difference. And now we are able to fit about 6 to 8 people around this table. Another project that I am so proud of in this house is this gorgeous modernized bathroom. My dad and I were able to come in here and demo this entire bathroom down to the studs in 1 weekend. And then after adding new drywall and fresh paint, I was able to come on in and install this tile floor all by myself. I also created this custom shelving using some 2x6 lumber and some shelving brackets. I added some fresh, modern, matte black fixtures. In addition to working on my kitchen, there is one more room that I'm currently working on, and that is my main bedroom. Recently, I was able to paint it this really delicious, yummy dark blue color, and I was able to add this plywood accent wall in a long weekend. This was a really fun project that I was able to complete by cutting some 1/4-inch sheets of plywood down to size and nailing them to my wall. It's created such a warm and rich texture in this room, and I cannot wait to get this room completed very soon. Thank you so much for checking out all of my projects and for visiting my home. Renovating my first house over this past year has been an awesome experience. I've had so much fun learning and trying and creating things as a side hustling DIYer. I hope to visit back soon when the house is completely done, but we'll get there when we get there.